to appear more intelligent and confident on stage? Let's dive into 8 subtle body language habits that can make a big impact. First up, stand tall. Good posture not only projects confidence, but also helps you breathe better and speak clearly. Avoid slouching or hunching over. Stand like you own the room. Next, let's talk eye contact. Making eye contact with different people in your audience creates a personal connection and makes your words more impactful. Just remember, don't stare at one person for too long. Keep it natural. Now, those hands of yours, use them. Open gestures like palms facing up show honesty and engagement, but steer clear of pointing or aggressive movements. You want your audience to feel comfortable, not threatened. Here's a pro tip: mirror your audience's body language. Subtly reflecting their posture or movements can build rapport and make them feel understood. Just don't overdo it, keep it genuine, and don't forget to smile. A genuine smile can make you seem more approachable and trustworthy. Remember, a real smile reaches your eyes. No forced grins, please. Controlled breathing is your secret weapon against nerves. Slow, deep breaths before and during your speech can calm your nerves and steady your voice. It also helps you avoid rushing. Maintain an open posture. Keep those arms uncrossed and your body relaxed. This makes you seem more approachable and receptive. Avoid defensive postures like crossing your arms or hunching your shoulders. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Embrace your unique style and let your true self shine through. So there you have it. Master these body language habits and watch your public speaking skills soar. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.